Hello, I'm Darth. How are you? Are you happy? Sad? Angry? Oh, I know how you can say your feelings. Through pop-its. We will need colored paper, 2 pieces of cardboard, scissors, a pen, a cutter, some tape, 2 round objects that we can use to trace circles, 1 small circle, and 1 big circle. We are ready! Let's craft! Get the colored paper and the big circle. Use your pen to trace big circles on the colored paper. Next, get your scissors and cut out the circles on the colored paper. Ta-da! We have colored circles. Next, get the cardboards and the small circle. Use your pen to trace 3 small circles on the cardboard. Now, use the cutter to cut out the circles. Done! Now, get the other cardboard and put it under the one we have already cut out. Use your pen and trace the circles. Use the cutter to cut out the circles. Ta-da! Next, get the colored circles and use the scissors to cut a line to the middle. Overlap the cutout parts to form a cone. Then tape the inside of the cone. Now do the same to the other colored circles. Now, get your pen and let's draw the faces. There it is, a happy face. Sad face. Angry face. Now tape the cutout parts of the cones. Let's write the feelings on the cardboard using the pen. Let's write happy, sad, angry. Now, put the faces between the cardboards. Like this. Then tape the 2 cardboards together. Happy, sad, angry. So, how are you?
I am happy.
How are you? I am sad. How are you? I am angry. Wow! You can now say how you are feeling using pop-it. There are so many other feelings that we can say. If you would like to learn more, join me in NovaKid. See you! Bye-bye!